Good morning, I'm Lucy from Ethereal Flow. Thank you for giving yourself this time today. These morning affirmations are designed to awaken confidence, attract wealth, and bring you calm. Together, we'll repeat the words that align your mind, body, and spirit with abundance and peace. Place your hand gently on your heart. Inhale deeply. And exhale with a soft release. Repeat each affirmation after me, out loud or silently. I am enough. I am worthy of love, success, and joy. I carry myself with calm confidence and strength. I believe in myself and in my ability to succeed. I shine by being my true, authentic self. I am enough. I am enough. I am enough. I am abundant in wealth, opportunity, and success. Money flows to me with ease and purpose. I am magnetic to prosperity and aligned with abundance. I use money as a tool for growth, freedom, and generosity. Every day, in every way, I grow richer in wealth and in spirit. I am enough to receive abundance. I am enough to welcome prosperity. I am enough, and abundance flows to me now. I am calm, centered, and clear. My breath guides me back to peace. I am safe to relax, release, and let go. I trust the flow of life and meet it with ease. Calm is my foundation and peace is my power. I am enough to be calm. I am enough to be at peace. I am enough, and I am safe. Take a deep breath in. And release it slowly. These affirmations are now a part of you. Carry them into your day with confidence, prosperity, and peace. Always remember, you are enough. Become the best version of you.